The DeltaTal product line in general has been absolutely integral in all aspects of my job.
DeltaTal provides us the ability to get the levels of precision and the performance that are unavailable anywhere else in the world.
We try to align ourselves up with vendors that are going to last and stay with us and grow with us. We chose DeltaTal because they advance. They don't just sit still.
At Moore Nanotechnology Systems, we design ultra-precision manufacturing equipment for the optoelectrical industry.
This machine is the Nanotech 140 GPM. It's a glass press molding machine, which means it's got a chamber with IR light, so it heats up a gob of glass between two molds. We're using a UMAC, 240 megahertz turbo PMAC. We've got analog feedbacks for pressure transducers. We're reading analog for temperature sensors, etc. And the beauty of the UMAC control is that it will handle all of that stuff. That kind of flexibility is what we get out of the PMAC.
Here at the ViewTech division of EFI, we specialize in building grand format printers for the sign companies, for billboard companies. When we were designing the HS100, our first choice was to use the Turbo PMAC 2 Ethernet Ultralight to meet the motion control demands that this design was going to require. We were able to do some things we hadn't expected to do. It gave us the ability to run our motion control better than our previous generation of machines could do. We were actually pretty surprised how well it was able to do that and how many features it had. That was a pretty important part of the success of this machine.
I'm Paul Glenn. I'm the president of Bauer Associates. We've been in the optics metrology business for about 30 years now. What we do is build instruments that are just different from others. This is the 4-point stitching profilometer. It uses 4 separate laser beams to get a nanometer level profile of the surface shape, and we can measure 1.5 meter mirrors down to the nanometer level. There's no other machine that can do that, so this is a very unusual application. These 6 axes of these 6 legs have to be controlled accurately and smoothly. This whole assembly will cruise sometimes as little as just a few millimeters above the optical surface. And we can calculate that trajectory in all 6 dimensions, feed it into the DeltaTal UMAC as a position, velocity, time trajectory. It's stunning. It's just absolutely smooth at how it flies over the optic and goes to the next position to measure a hoop.
I'm Ernie Roberts from UMG Technologies, and our product is the PLT 902. It's a fully automatic servo-driven terminal attachment system, and it's used primarily in the automotive industry as well as the white goods industry. We grew up with the PMAC Lite and all the other supporting products as well. The DeltaTal product, of course, has been designed into our systems. The system puts in 5 connectors a second and has 7 axes of motion. All of these motions are to support the press fit insertion for our given customers.
We've yet to hit a wall with the UMAC control that we can't overcome with this controller. That's one of the nice things about the DeltaTal product.
We've done all kinds of things, and what ties them all together is that they all require some kind of coordinated motion to be accurate, predictable, controllable. The DeltaTal stuff has always been a very good way for us to achieve that.
In the electro-optics business, it's all about ultra-precision. So by working with a company like DeltaTal, who offers state-of-the-art, cutting-edge motion controls, we were able to incorporate that into the mechanics that we're so noted for.
In the many years of working with the DeltaTal PMAC, it has never been unable to do anything I've asked it to. And with the new Power PMAC, I'm looking forward to this continuing for a long time in the future.